Hi everyone. The instructional strategy that I chose was musical therapy. And according to the American Music Therapy Association, music therapy is an established health profession in which music is used within a therapeutic relationship to address physical, emotional, cognitive, and social needs of individuals. And the research article that I chose to incorporate in this in regards to music therapy was music therapy, an effective approach in improving social skills of children with autism. So here in the experiment, they take 27 children with mild to moderate autism, and they split them into two separate groups. And one group is the controlled, and one group is the experiment. And the control being there's no interventions being done, and the experiments being they're having the music therapy being done to them. And in this study, the experimental group received 45 days with music therapy, 12 sessions, resulting in 2 sessions a week. And they had 2 music therapists that came in and did these musical activities. And the music activities were, there was a wide variety of them. Sorry, I'm trying to find them. Here they are. Hearing, so it's hearing, singing songs, chants, clapping, movements, and dancing, and working with instruments, music drama, and free creative play. And which is kind of really interesting because I really learned that there's a lot more to music therapy than just singing in the classroom. But anyway, back to the study. The results showed that the students that were involved in the music therapy had improved their social skills and maintained their new skills, as the other students who did not receive any interventions improved slightly over the course of the 2 months, but not really. And then they actually didn't maintain their skills. Their post-test scores were actually below what their pre-test scores were. So that was pretty interesting to see. That music therapy played a huge role in the experimental group. The authors really recommend this intervention, obviously, because the results were pretty significant that we saw in this study. And so I wouldn't hesitate to use any of these in my classroom in the future. I guess, kind of learned a lot more about the different types of music that we can incorporate in the classroom, like the musical drama or movements and working with instruments and stuff like that, like creative play. I don't know. I just thought mainly in early childhood we did a lot of singing, but there's definitely so many other ways that we can incorporate musical therapy into our daily classrooms or daily lives. But yeah, I really hope that you took something from this video. I really liked musical therapy. So thanks for watching.